what's up? So today on Sean's pop party, we're gonna have fun with edibles. So this is what we're gonna do. Got the kids' cuisine, as you see. Got that brownie. That's what you want right there. That's what you're looking for. Let's open it. There you go, you got this right here. This brownie is the thing that you want. This corn, ugh. So what you want to do is like try to pop this open without breaking it. So look at. Because you're going to need this film back. Okay, there you go. You got it open. Now you gotta wait until it gets a little bit warm. Just touch it a little bit. Do this after you're done washing your hands. You gotta wash your hands, then do this. Or use a glove. That's why we invented them. But I'm gonna eat this. It's going on my body. I know where my fingers been. Smoking weed. What do you think? Yeah. See it in there. So, we'll be back after these messages. After this thaws out a little bit. So you can even do this. You could take the brownie out. Smush it up a little bit. I should have got a fork or a knife. The main thing you want to do is get it a little, so here we go, yeah, this is what you want now. Keep doing this a little bit. Okay. Shock. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to add the spinach. Only put a little bit in here, or you're going to be sitting there looking at the refrigerator like, I guarantee. So all we gotta do, take about that much. That much. I just sprinkled it on there. That's all you need. Put it away. Because you're about to be put away when you're high. There it is, right there. See the weed? And all you want to do now is smush that weed in. You're about to get boogie lies. Okay, it's in there now. Okay, you're ready to go. Take that film that you saved. Put it back over. Just put it in the microwave and see how it goes. Let's go. I'm transporting now to microwave downstairs. And right here we have the chicken dinner. The chicken nuggets with the brownie inside of it. And we're going to put it in the microwave and cook it up. And there it is. And there it is. the chicken dinner with the brownie inside. Now we're going to close it. And there it is, cooking inside there. Now 1 minute and 52 seconds. Happy Thanksgiving. This is the Happy Thanksgiving video. And there's my chicken nugget dinner rotating inside the microwave. Yeah. And I'm gonna shut this off and I'll be right back with the video. Be right back. Okay. Here is the meal from the microwave. Take this. It took shape. Oh man. You ready? Of the brownie. There. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Hold on. Here's your part. There. There. Okay, everybody. There you are. You could definitely taste the green in there. This is the brownie. Nope. So now I gotta wait about an hour and it should kick in. I ate 3 of these when I first did it. So now I'm gonna enjoy my Lean Cuisine meal without my brownie, because I ate my brownie because the brownie was full of weed.
Ew. I thought that was all yucky.
They're all yucky like that.
Mm-mm.
And there you have it.
I can't eat that.
Why? Because it's nasty like that? So I'll see you all later. That's how you do it. Just put some weed on the brownie. Put them in the microwave and enjoy. Guarantee about an hour. You go to sleep, you wake up like high. Don't even smoke green. Just make the edibles. How many you want. And then you take a nap and chill. And you wake up high like, whoa.
I told you I didn't want that.
This plate is not sturdy.
No, it's not.
So I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.